everybody, it's Kirsten and Chris from Savvy Pants Shop, and it is another Monday. On Mondays we do the Style Me series on Savvy Pants, and today we're doing the Carly. It has been quite a while since I've done a styling video for the Carly, and since I did my last one, there's probably 3 or 4 new ways that I've found that actually work to wear this awesome dress. So let's get right into it. I'm going to describe it really quickly, tell you what's on Franny, and move right into it. Carly dress, exaggerated A-line swing dress from LuLaRoe, short sleeves, crew neck, and as you can tell, a little bit more fitted at the bust, and A-line out into a full dress or a full circle dress. I'm wearing this right now just totally casual, the way Patrick, our designer, meant it to be worn. But let me tell you something, there are a bunch of ways to do this. Let's get right into it. The first way, of course, belted, because anything in LuLaRoe, any dress can pretty much be belted. But this is a really cute, different, fun way to do your belting on the Carly. So I'm taking a skinny belt this time. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this kind of into a Grecian or Roman style dress. What this is going to do, as you can see, I've got my little kitten heels on. This is an elegant Carly that I have on in my normal size, which is an extra small. And you're going to see that the ways that I do everything today, I don't have to style up or size up in any of them. Sometimes some people do. So Grecian styling, what I'm going to do, or Roman styling, I'm going to bring the hem of this dress up and make it very leggy and very sexy, okay? So I'm going to bring this out, I'm going to blouse the whole dress, and I'm going to bring the whole thing, the whole blousing, over the belt. What that does is it raises up the hem of the dress, as you can see. It all of a sudden gets really leggy. This is Roman or Grecian styling, okay? There you go. See that all the way if I turn around like that? Hem is up, and it's just a very cute, very summery, very fun way to do it. So, belted Grecian styling, there you go. The second way I'm going to show you, everybody knows this way usually. If you want to make this a little bit more casual, take the end of this, and all I'm going to do is make a tiny little knot in the bottom. I'm going to make a big knot if I want to bring it way up high, if I've got leggings or something on underneath. All I'm going to do is make just a regular knot in that. And it really changed the whole entire affect of the dress. It makes it a little bit more casual. With this look, I might put on sandals, or I might even put on my Keds, which is what Franny has on today. As you can see, she's got also an elegant Carly, and this is the way that you can make your elegant Carly so very street smart. You're going to put on a jean jacket with that, maybe a belt, maybe not. And I opted with a pearl necklace today, just a fun kind of tiered necklace. I'll take that in and show you that. There you go. And so that is an awesome way to take your elegant Carly, make it really casual. I'm going to put that with a pair of Keds. This happens to be a denim Ked, and I think it matches great with the jean jacket. So don't forget, just another way to take your elegant Carlys and bring them down a notch, make them really fun, and make them everyday wearable, okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take, this happens to be a Bianca. You guys can also use your Lindsay's. The Bianca is the kid size Lindsay, which I think fits me a little bit better. And I love this look, because what I can do with this is cover up some of the dress if I want to and show off a really awesome Lindsay. So this is going to be a layered look, and I'm going to take this, I'm going to tie this up right underneath my bust, close to my body and underneath my bust. I'm going to make a sailor knot or a square knot out of that. Play with that a little bit and make that nice. But I think that is a really cute look too. So there you go. These are 2 elegant pieces, but if I wanted to make this a little bit more casual, I would just take a solid color Lindsay, maybe in a burgundy or even a red, which I think would be really cute. So there you go. Don't forget, you can wear your Joys, your Monroes with these also. Okay, the next way to make this really casual and really fun. This is not a LuLaRoe vest. Hopefully someday it will be when they come out with them. But if I want to change again the whole affect of the dress, I'm going to put this on with a denim jacket or a denim or twill vest. And I think it just changes the entire look of the dress. You can also do this with your belt if you want to, and it again, super cute. Keep it tied up if you want, but there you go. Denim or twill vest with your elegant collection. I think it's, again, street smart elegant, and it makes it everyday wearable. Okay, next. I love this look too. I'm going to take a classic tee, and you can do this with Gigi's also. You can do it with Irma's, but I think it looks fabulous with the classic tee, and I'm going to show you why. This is also an elegant piece, and I'm going to bring that Carly sleeve down so that it's poking out underneath that classic tee sleeve. I find it better to stay small on the classic tee if you're going to do this. But the reason why I like the classic tee with this, it's the scoop neck, so that you can see the Carly underneath at the neck. And all I'm going to do is bring this up in the back. Oops. And I'm going to tie it in the front. Into a little knot. Tie it high, tie it low, whatever you want. And this layering looks great for when it gets a little bit more chilly outside and you just want to have a few more layers. There you go. And again, this brings the dress in a little bit right in your midsection and it's going to give the illusion of a little bit thinner. Love that one too. So, classic tee over the Carly. Let's move into some knots, you guys, because knots are the way that you can really change the look of this dress drastically. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a silver dollar. It doesn't have to be a silver dollar. It can be a 50-cent piece or a quarter. But I think the bigger you go with these, or even a button, the bigger you go with this, the more dramatic the look is going to be. That's just my opinion. Okay, I'm going to put that silver dollar underneath the dress, as you can see. I've got my quarter, or my silver dollar right there, and I'm going to tie a rubber band around that. And I'm going to give it a little button ruched look. I'm going to take the other one and put it right next to it. So I go up underneath. There you go. I've got it on the outside, or it's on the inside, and I'm going to put the rubber band, tie the rubber band around the silver dollar. And as you can see, I've got a buttoned look, a little bit more tapered, brings it in a little bit closer to my rib cage, and just gives the illusion of a little bit thinner. There you go. Two silver dollars right next to each other, giving it a button-like look. Love this. Love this one. And really easy to do. If you're not real keen on your ruching, this is just a really easy way to do it. Okay. Alright, these final looks, I'm going to put a Cassie on, because we're going to bring up the hem of this dress. There we go. As you can see, got my cute little Cassie on under my elegant Carly, and we're going to have fun with some knots. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of ruching in the back. This takes a little bit of practice, but all you're going to do is at the small of your back, in the back of the dress, you're going to make a bunny ear or a ponytail underneath the dress, and you're going to tie your rubber band or your hair tie around the base of it. This takes a little bit of practice. You probably won't get it perfect on the first try. Keep trying it. This is going to bring it, the ruching in on the back at the small of my back. and it's going to give the back of the dress a really cute look. There you go. See how that brings that all in? And it just ruched it underneath with a rubber band or hair tie. Okay? That's your ruching. You can do that anywhere. You can do it at the side, in the front. Very cute in the back though, to get that effect when you're looking, when you're in the back of you and you're looking at the back of somebody. Okay. And the final way, just learned this the other day. If it's hard for you guys to do your rosettes, and I understand that can take a little practice to do it, here is a knot or a bow that anybody can do. So what you're going to do is I'm going to take a handful of material in this hand, and right next to it, another handful in the other hand. And I'm going to bring that way up in the front. So I've got myself right here 2 bunny ears, if you can see those. All I'm going to do is bring the bunny ears together, and I'm going to take my rubber band or hair tie and rubber band that at the base of those 2 bunny ears. So I've got them right here like this. I'm just going to spread those out and make those look like a bow. Easy peasy. So another way to ruche up and wear your Cassie underneath your Carly, or you can also wear your leggings. Picture this with leggings and booties, or just plain booties. Super, super cute and very easy. There you go. Just looks like a little bow. Love that too. So there you go, you guys. A million different ways to wear your Carly, both elegant and non-elegant. Don't forget, you can street smart your elegant and make it an everyday wearable piece. Thanks for joining us, you guys. Style me, the Carly.
Savvy Pants Shop.
Savvy Pants Shop, Kirsten and Chris. Thank you.